Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to send money from Remitly to Easypaisa. First thing first, you gotta have your Easypaisa receiving account ready. First thing first, launch the Remitly app on your mobile device. Log into your account. On the dashboard, tap Send Money. And select the destination country for your recipient. Choose bank deposit as the delivery method. Now enter the recipient's full name as per their bank account and add the bank account details such as bank name, account number, and routing number. Then save the recipient for future transfers, which is optional. Now enter the amount you want to send, then review the exchange rate and transfer fees. Select the payment method, and if you're using a bank account, make sure it's verified. Now double check all details, recipient info, amount, and payment method, then tap Send to confirm the transfer. You can monitor the transfer status in Transfers. The recipient will receive funds based on the chosen speed option, Express, which is minutes, and Economy from 3 to 5 business days. And done, your money is on its way to the recipient's bank account securely. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.